Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from Howlogical. And in this video, I am going to show you how to use Trello for beginners. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to use Trello as a beginner, you just simply have to open your Trello at first, and then you must have created this basic board after signing up to your Trello account. Now, you can do so many things into Trello, such as personal life management, projects management, and efficient way to do works or making the work life easy. And among them, first of all, you have to find out what you want to do into Trello at first. If you are a student and you want to use Trello and you are using Trello for the first time, you should make a board at first, and after that select the workplace, and you can make the visibility either private or public because it won't have that much of effect into your board anyway. Then after that, click to create board, and if you are not a student or a project holder, you should name the board accordingly. Then after that, you just simply have to add list of everything that could be useful for you, such as your homework, such as your notes, and also the vacation plans and things like that. And similar goes to the work professionals, such as your list of tasks that you have to do and all the peoples that are working with you. And this way you can use your Trello application at very beginning. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.